What up guys, this is Epic Designs and I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop. Well, basically identifying the layers of Photoshop and understanding the layers of Photoshop more so we can get used to, of course, the program. And we're going to start here with Photoshop. Alright, let's begin. Please subscribe because to help my channel grow, I really want to become a very big channel to help all you people with Photoshop and designing needs. I just really would like to help people. I really do. Alright, so we're just gonna put this YouTube, test YouTube. Have it by 1,000 by 800. And just click OK. And you have this kind of squarish background. So what we're going to do is simply unlock this, because every time you start a new file it will always give you a brand new one. It will always give you a locked background, so you just double click that, change it to BG, and press OK. So with today we're just going to understand how layers work and also applying the mask, which I will get to that once we get to the subject. So for just make a new layer right here, create a new layer. And what are this is just this, if you see that checkers board, that is called a blank. It's really nothing. It's no background whatsoever. So if you see these eyes, I'll show you an example here. Let's click on the brush tool, click on a brush and just put it 349. Click here. If you don't want that to show, click on the eye button and you won't make it show. This is for people who think that, oh, how about if this, what would this look without this effect or this item or anything that is combined with. So you just click here. That is the eye, makes it disappear. Instead of just erasing it, going back and testing how it looks, you can just click that. And then if you click this, it will just be the background. Click that, it will be color again. So we're gonna learn how to erase differently, I'm supposing to guess. You can just click a new layer, and then put this kind of color. Now, why I put a new layer instead of on the same layer is because when I want to move an item, I want to move it by itself. As you can see, I can move it, I can only move this circle. As if I put another one, go here, and I put another circle, and I use the move tool. Now I am moving two circles at once, and I don't want that to happen. So that's one of the reasons why I put a new layer. Oops. Step back. Erase that. Alright, and we're gonna learn how to use the mask layer, which I explained. You go here. First you click on, let's click on the second layer. I'm gonna say add layer mask. Well, layer mask is basically an erase tool. You go here, let's go to the first layer and pick our erase tool. It's a simple erase tool, nothing special. And once you start to erase, you can see that once you're erasing, you erase. But if you want to go back, you can't. That's the problem with erasing. You cannot go back. You actually have to put Command Z or Control Z to actually go back, and you can't just go like that and then go like that. If you press Control Z, of course, again. So we go here. Gotta step back, and that's what you have to do. Now, if we create a new layer mask, we go up here, and you see this. We click on that. That's layer mask thumbnail. And the colors will be black and white because of this reason. If you pick a brush, it's not really going to be that color brush. As you can see, once I click that, it erases. Then why have this tool and instead of the erase tool? Well, with this tool, once you switch to white, you can reattach it. As you can see, I just refilled it. Black is to erase, while white is to bring it back. So let's say if you want, this bottom piece out, this here, this out, and this out, and you only want the top parts back, you can do that, as you can see. And that is why we have difference of erase tool and layer mask. Most people use layer mask because of this. They do not want to spend their time pressing the Control Z or the Command Z button each time they want to go back and erase it. So that is basically layers. And also the top layer is always the most on top, of course. Let's click on layer 2, and if we click a color, pick a brush, if we put it here, of course it'll be behind. So if we move this layer down, you see that little like line there, you will just move it more down. So it's like a layer of a tower or a cake. You're just stacking layer after layer. And basically this is an easy way to know your layers. This is how we understand layers. And that is pretty much it for today. The layers are not that hard to comprehend. If you want even more details of the layers, just make a video request. I do that. Well, you can do that, make a video request, and what I would do is just make a personal video for you guys. I'll email it to you or somehow give it to you, and you can just learn it step by step, and I'll add even more details. But for YouTube, I'm gonna keep it simple and just move on to the next video each time. If you're stuck on one or want to learn more about that one, just make a video request. I will be happy to make you a video. And please comment, like, subscribe, and please go to my channel, check out the new stuff that I have. I'll be posting daily updates of what I'm doing and how I like to design things and make you guys unique. So thank you for watching Epic Designs, and I'll see you later. Peace.